In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop an image into a circle using Google Docs. This is a helpful skill if you want to add a professional touch to your documents or make your images stand out. Let's dive right into it. First, we'll begin by opening Google Docs. You can easily do this by navigating to the Google Docs website and signing in with your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're on the main page, you'll want to open an existing document or create a new one. To do so, click on any document you see listed, or hit that blank page icon for a fresh start. With your document ready, let's move on to working with images. You'll need to go to the top of the screen where the various options are listed and click on Insert. This brings up a menu with multiple inserting options, but for our purposes, hover over Drawing. A submenu should appear, and you'll want to choose New. This action opens a drawing space that allows for further image manipulation. Next, within this drawing window, look toward the top and locate the image icon. Clicking on it will give you several ways to upload your desired image. You can choose to upload a file directly from your device, use your webcam, or import an image from your URL, Photos, Google Drive, or Google Images. It's pretty versatile, so select the source that's most convenient for you. After selecting your image source, browse to find the exact image you wish to upload and click to choose it. Then hit Insert. The image will now appear in your drawing window, allowing you to start the cropping process. On the top toolbar, locate the crop image icon and click on it, then find the Shapes button in the Tool section. This will present you with a variety of shapes to choose from. Among these options, select the circle. This choice allows you to overlay a circle shape onto your image, effectively cropping it to that specific form. Once you have your circle chosen, adjust its size to fit how you want your image framed. Feel free to move the circle around to perfectly position the portion of the image you want emphasized. When you're happy with how it looks, click anywhere outside the cropped area to finalize the crop. Finally, your newly shaped image is ready to be inserted into your document. To do this, simply click on the Save and Close button in the drawing window. Now, your document contains a beautifully cropped circle image, exactly where you want it, and there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you can transform ordinary images into elegantly circular ones right here in Google Docs. This skill might come in handy in plenty of professional or personal settings, so feel free to apply this method anytime you need to give a unique touch to your visuals. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!